This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook maple seeds. First, let's talk about collecting them. You'll want to find mature seeds, usually in late spring or early summer, when they've turned a light brown. Make sure to pick them from healthy trees, free of any blemishes. Gather a good amount, as they reduce quite a bit in size once prepared. This initial step is crucial for a delicious outcome. Once you've collected your maple seeds, the next step is preparation. Carefully remove the papery wing from each seed. Then, soak them in cold water for at least 30 minutes. This helps to soften the outer skin. After soaking, peel away that outer layer to expose the inner kernel. Finally, give the kernels a good rinse to wash away any lingering bitterness, ensuring a pleasant flavor. Now for the exciting part, cooking your maple seed kernels. You have a few delicious options. You can roast them in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes until they are golden brown. Alternatively, sauté them in a pan with a small amount of oil over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Or, for a softer texture, boil them in lightly salted water for around 5 minutes until tender. Don't forget to season them to your liking. With your maple seeds cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Roasted seeds make a fantastic crunchy snack or a unique topping for salads. Sautéed kernels are a wonderful addition to stir-fries or grain bowls, offering a delightful texture and earthy flavor. Boiled seeds can be incorporated into hearty soups or stews. For a sweet treat, try candying them with a touch of maple syrup. These versatile seeds are a delicious and nutritious addition to many dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.